Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 13th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a new record close for the Dow, mostly due to Disney, though we'll get back to that in just a moment. But the Dow finished the day up 92 points, while everything else was fairly flat. The S&P 500 up just 2 points. The NASDAQ down by 4 points, and the Russell 2000 giving back 6 points. The bond market did advance, and the yield on the 10-year note pulling back to 1.882%. Crude oil gaining 44 cents today at the official close, while gold was higher by almost 11 points, and the U.S. dollar was fairly flat. Now, getting back to Disney, yesterday they launched their Disney Plus streaming service, and news came out today that over 10 million people signed up for the service on that first day. And this is the move on the stock, moving all the way to fresh new highs here near 150. It was higher by over $10 today, over 7%. If we look at the weekly chart, there it is, brand new all-time high. Here's the monthly chart. So things looking pretty good for Disney. Who knows how many subscribers they'll end up with, but one heck of a start there with over 10 million new subscribers. So that accounted for most of the gain in the Dow. Otherwise, another fairly quiet day overall. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.